Hello everyone, I Harmeet welcome you all on WScript Tech channel. So in this video we are going to talk about that how you can add timestamps to your video, or we call them video chapters. So how you can add video chapters to your YouTube videos, that's all we are going to talk about in this video. So let's get started. First of all, let's see that how timestamps work or what timestamps are. Basically, you divide your videos into different segments so that a person comes on your video and he can choose a particular segments from where he wants to watch your video. So it will help you to get more audience retention on your videos. Okay, so for example, this is a video, this is video of our channel and this video is playing. This video is of approximately 8 hours because this is a complete course. Okay, as you'll scroll down in the description, you'll see that there are some chapters. Okay, this is the full course. So in every particular time, here are some timestamps, and as you can, for example, this video is about WordPress tutorial for beginner. This is a full course, and as you can see, if I do not want to see the complete course and I want to go on a specific topic. For example, I want to look for the image gallery in WordPress, then I will click on this particular section, that on 1 hour 37 minutes 37 seconds the image gallery in my WordPress is starting. So as I'll click on it, that particular segment will get open. Okay, and I can only watch that segment. Okay, so let's take another example. I want to watch this date picker in the WordPress, then I'll just click on this number and I can see. Let's skip the ad and I will reach to that particular part, and I will only be seeing this particular page where this topic has been explained. Okay, so this is a very important tool which you can use in order to retain your audience, in order to get more watch time on your YouTube videos. Okay, so now let's talk how we can add perfect timestamps that are clickable, and so that people can use them and you can get more watch time. Okay, so first of all, you have to go on the YouTube Studio. So I'm just taking a sample video. Okay, for example, this video I want to edit. Okay, so you can just edit it, and only in the description you will get to add your timestamps. Okay, so let's get started. First of all, let me tell you some important tips that what are some conditions in order to add the timestamps to your video. First of all, you have to add at least 3 timestamps in your video. Timestamps, we call them chapters also. So at least 3 timestamps or 3 chapters should be there in your videos. Okay, so your second condition would be that one timestamp should be at least 10 seconds. It should be of 10 seconds. So not less than 10 second timestamps would not work. Okay, so at least 3 timestamps should be there, and one timestamp should be at least of 10 seconds. Okay, and the third condition would be that your first timestamp should be start from 00. Okay, from 00 your timestamp will start, and you have to add your, this should be the format. Okay, so the first 0 is the hour, 1 is the minute, and 1 is the second. Okay, so this should be the format of your timestamp, and the first timestamp should be start from the 00, this section. Okay, so now let's see that how you can add the timestamp. First of all, you have to just clarify that these are the timestamp. Either you can write just chapters in this video, or you can just simply write timestamp, or you can just cannot write anything, or you can just write timestamp. Okay, so I'm adding the timestamps. Okay, and now you have to start with writing the timestamp. So as I've told already that at least 3 stamps should be there, and the first stamp should be start from 00. Okay, so I'm going to write that. You can, if you have a video less than an hour, then you can just choose 00, like 200 should be there, like minutes and seconds. Otherwise, if you have an hour long video, then you should choose these 3, like hours, minutes and second timestamp. Okay, so I'm using the 3 version. Okay, so let's get started. So first of all, my first timestamp starts from 00, and I will just specify that from where I am starting my video. Okay, for example, this is a video related to the YouTube complete course. Okay, I am taking an example. So first of all, I'll write that what is YouTube. My first stamp is there. Okay, now my second stamp should be at least 10 seconds long. Okay, so I'm writing it again. So I'm just taking an example that after 5 minutes 15 seconds my second stamp will start. So I'm just writing like this, that after 5 minutes and 15 seconds my second stamp will start. My second stamp would be related to the videos on YouTube. Okay, so this is my second stamp. My another stamp would be For example, I'm taking an example. My second stamp would be like from 7 minutes and 30 seconds, and in the 7 minutes 30 seconds I'm going to talk about YouTube SEO. Okay, let's take another one and I'll just show you that how it worked. And from the 8 minutes my another time stamp will start. You can just create any time stamp, okay, like YouTube analytics I'm going to talk. Okay, so these are some examples. I have added 4 stamps. You can add as many as you can. You can add 10, you can add 20s, and at least 40, but less than should be at least 3 time stamps should be there. Okay, so I'm just saving this video just to show you. Okay, so I just saved this video and I'll just show you that how it worked. Okay, so I'm opening this video. This is a sample video just to show you. Okay, as you can see in the description, this video is 8 minutes long. Okay, and as you can see that this video is divided into multiple chapter. Okay, so the first my chapter is what is YouTube. The second would be my YouTube videos. Okay, YouTube videos are after 5 minutes. So here are YouTube videos. As you can see, this is the division of your video, and another would be the YouTube SEO. After 7 minutes, after 8 minutes, it would be analytics. Okay, so as you can see, these are timestamp. Anybody can click. For example, I come across this video. I do not want to watch the complete course. I just want to see the YouTube SEO. So I'll just click on this thing and my video will start on that particular thing. Okay, so this is an amazing thing that you can learn and you can apply to your videos. This especially works for the course videos, educational videos, or if you have created a longer video where you have discussed about 3-4 topics. For example, if I have made a video related to the top 5 softwares to edit your video, and so if I want that if a person comes across looking for a particular software that I have discussed, so I can just make a timestamp that on 00 second I have talked about Premiere Pro, on 5 minutes I have talked about the Adobe Audition, and all the things that you can do. Okay, so this is a very important feature that you must utilize. So I hope that you now learned that how you can add the timestamp. This all things we have to do in the description box. Either while uploading the video you can add the timestamp, or you can edit the description later. Okay, so this is a very important thing that you must try. If this video was useful for you, hit the like button. If you want to learn all the things related to digital marketing or other streams related to the IT field, then you have to subscribe this channel. If you want to learn this course in the Hindi, then you have to subscribe our main channel, WSCube Tech main channel, or subscribe this channel so that you don't miss a video. So thank you so much.